So imagine this.
I'm walking and suddenly I find something, say, on the floor.
Or I pick it up and I'm thinking, okay, what do I even do with this? What does the law in Dubai expect me to do with that particular property? So Dubai has a new law for this, for both lost as well as abandoned property. Now quickly understand what is lost property and abandoned property. Lost is something the owner did not intend to lose, and the abandoned property is something the owner just gave it up. But in both the cases, I cannot just keep it just because I found it. So if you live in Dubai, or if you're in Dubai and if you just find something in Dubai, as per the law, you have to register it on Dubai police system, that too within 24 hours. And then within 48 hours, you have to hand it over to the police. You cannot use it, you cannot keep it, otherwise there'll be penalties. Now, it is the duty of the Dubai police to record it, to store it, and the real owner can claim it within 3 years. And now the best part, if no one claims that property, that thing for 1 year, then you can actually request the Dubai police and then you can keep it legally. The police may even reward you with 10% of that property's value, maximum up to 50,000 dirhams, of course. So next time when you find something lying around in Dubai, do not take a chance. Just report it and stay safe. Thank you. Stay informed.